Hey barbecue family, I'm Dave with the biggest announcement in this channel's history. If you've been following Austin Eats, everything is about to change and for the better. And if you're new here, well, perfect timing. When I started this channel, I wanted to help outdoor cooks with all kinds of grilling. But over the past year, it became crystal clear that most of you are Kamado Joe owners, and you don't want generic grilling tips. You want expert advice specifically for the Kamado Joe. So, Austin Eats is officially becoming Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass. This new tagline says it all. Grill better, eat better, Texas BBQ made simple. We're becoming the destination for Kamado Joe owners who want to improve their cooking skills. Here's what you can expect. Comprehensive tutorials, honest gear reviews, troubleshooting tips, and foolproof recipes. No fluff, no filler, just proven methods that work. What's not changing is my Texas barbecue passion, my commitment to helping you succeed, and my promise to answer every single question. This is still your channel, just better organized and more focused. If you own a Kamado Joe or you're thinking about getting one, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Leave a comment and tell me what Kamado Joe topics you want to see. Until next time, grill better, eat better, and enjoy that Texas barbecue life.